Okay, so I'm starting with the mixing the flour and water. It has to be a certain consistency, so just look at that. Okay. Right, that's always has to be spread around a little bit at least. So what I've got here is two kinds of flour, whole wheat flour and plain flour. They're both bio. So from very good druggery. They're German. So I quite trust it's good quality. It's got certain certificates and that type of thing. Okay, so that's the flour, but I put in, when I mixed the two flours together, it was 225 grams. I put in 50-50%. So I also put in 400 ml of water, almost double ml of the grams of the flour. Mix it up. Very important to mix it very thoroughly. It has to be runny, of course, but not too runny. So you have to watch how it's going. You have to preheat the pan a bit. I put on a tiny amount of oil just to grease the pan, nothing more. And I won't add any more oil for the rest of these flatbreads. What I have to do, of course, is to flip over. I've been told it's okay to use a metal one on this. I hope it is. Flip this over. Okay, that's it, flipped over. It's just another minute probably will finish it. And then I just continue with the rest of this. Hopefully it'll be uneven. Hopefully they'll turn out quite well. Not hopefully, but they will turn out quite well. Okay. So the flatbread is all ready. I managed this time 4 of them and a tiny little bit. These 4 are all about 100 grams each. I've just put on the pan now and some tofu, which is just cooking gently. And this is a mixture: tomatoes, mushrooms, onions. Okay. I've only got one hand doing this at the moment, so not so easy. Well, this time I am using a little bit of olive oil for the actual cooking. Not just to grease the pan, but I don't see any problem with a small amount of olive oil or even canola oil. Then also I will add this herbs. These herbs. Yeah, it's a nice smell already. And this will be the topping for the flatbread. I've got a new pan, so I'm not sure to what extent it needs oil on the surface when it's cooking. I really don't know. When I put a little bit on with the brush, I think that should help. Very little. So what I'm going to do is put a lid on because it'll cook better. And after that, it's just a case of putting it on the flatbread, or as you like to call them, tortillas, and eating, which is the best part of this cooking. Okay, I've just added some pasta sauce. It's actually with olives, to show you it. Just a smattering on the surface. And the cooking has finished here. So I'll put on top. Okay, that's it really, I think. You can add black pepper or whatever you want, of course. And I'm going to add some chili sauce, a little bit, but only small amount. I'm really hungry looking at this now.